Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to AXA Tech Academy. My name is Sat, I'm your facilitator. So in this exercise 1 today, I'm going to show you how I'm going to teach you how to create a table in an Excel. So first thing, when you open your Excel, you can click on cell C on so you can click on C or A or B, anyone. So we double click so that it will give you access to type. And maybe let's take an example, say student registration data. I'm just giving you example. As I told you, you are going to know more about Excel when you sign up for our data analysis class using Excel. So I just type this. All I need is to highlight, Control A. Let me change the font. Let me use Arial Black. Let me change the font size too. So here I can make it italic, I can underline it. So this is my heading for the data I want to write. Okay, this is student registration data. Example now, I need a serial number. Let's take an example. So let me have my serial number SN. I and press your tab key to take you to next. Then maybe student name. Maybe email. The registration number. And what department, and course. So let's take an example. This is the information you want to add, and phone number, maybe an level, then what again, let's say address. Remember, I'm just putting it depends on the data you are going to put. So like this, so these are the information I need to put, right? So what I need to do is the serial number. I can just make it, look at where I take my mouse. I take my mouse to this place until it shows me like a target plus sign, which will allow me to drag. Example, even this below, if you want to drag it, you still need that arrow. So and we have student name. So I take my mouse here. Let me try to expand it so that the data will be less stress. And email address too, it has to be, and registration number, and department, and which department depends, and maybe course, each course of study, phone number, and level and address. So with this I just created a student's registration data table. So now all I need, let me start with numbering. Let me click on this one. Let's say you have like 5,000 students. Are you going to name it 1, 2, 2, 3, 4? No. So Excel makes it to be very easy for you. All you need, click on the one onto this place, then double click on here, right click, then fill series. When you click on fill series, you see it number it. Example, if I drag it to, you see, to 20 to 39, you see it goes 39, 40, 40. So if I keep dragging it, if it is in that series, it will give me up to 10,000 millions. So I don't have to be putting 1, 2, 3 up to the number of the list. Hope you are getting it. So this is how you use numbers automatic, and sometimes this helps. It helps a lot, because sometimes we are entering like students, calculating student result. When you put all the information, the maximum, the average, immediately you double click, is going to generate the result for you. It will bring the first position, second, third with the average and everything. So this makes, even if they are like 1 million, when you double click, when you just solve number one, the rest you already impute the information. Just double click, and you align, like just double click, it's going to generate results all of. So you don't have to go one by one and do it. So this is a student name, just like simple how we do it in Microsoft Word. I say I'm going to use search. So let's say this is so I want it to go through this. So you see, any place I drag, any column or cell I drag, I'm dragging it to these columns. You see my name is appearing. So if I release it now, it generate my name. Or if I double click, so let's say this is email. You see, it's looking more beautiful in Excel. Take an example now. Let me double click. You see, I just input one information. When I double click, it just fill this space for me. So let's say registration number CST 2023 slash 001 is my registration number. Let me double click. You see it generate the number itself, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I name this, if I did not put their registration number, let's say manually, so when you create a student registration data, so it's going to arrange the information for you. So sorry, when you go to data analysis, when you sign up for our data analysis class, you are going to learn more. So when students are registering according to, it's going to arrange their information. If we set the data to be arranged, the student data to be arranged according to their registration number. So even if you do your registration last and you are number 1, immediately you did your registration, is going to put you in the number one since you are 001 or 002. So this is one thing about Excel. So let's say departments computer science, and if it's all computer science, instead of you put Musa, Ali, Zainab, Joy, Rejoice, Grace, and they are all from computer science. You don't have to stress yourself to put the information. 2 computer science, 3 computer science. All you need is type the computer science, come here, double click, just give you the computer science. You don't have to stress yourself. Then course, are they which course? Maybe is mass, they are doing introduction to programming, so they are doing introduction. You see the relax first, so all you need, we can take our mouse, here to expand it. Okay. I know. Okay. What is your problem now? I don't know. Let me just introduction to computer science. Double click, just generate it for us. So then phone number. You see, like phone number, it can't generate itself, but if it's capturing the data from online, so it can have the phone numbers well arranged. Then level, so level, if they are all in level 1, you can just type level 1, and all you need, you have to be careful this time around. Data may generate 1, 2, 3. So there is how you can sort this data. Even if it generates with just one click, there is a formula you use that you don't have to go one by one the way I'm going through. So all these you are going to learn in our data analysis class. So let's say they are in 100 level. So address, they all have different address. So to just save time, let me just delete the address. So now with just this, you create a student, you just create a simple table. All you need is to make it bold. You can make it bold. All you just highlight, control A to highlight all, then control B to make it bold. So you see, like, it's very simple to use Excel to do that. So there is a lot of information, use Excel. When you go to data analysis, that's when, or financing part, that's when you know that Excel Excel is not easy. So let's save our work. Control S, and let me browse where I need to save the work, the exercise. So let me save it in the desktop background. This is students registration table. So as you see, I can even save it as PDF. It's just simple. export, create a PDF. I want it in desktop, publish. I'm going to have it in PDF form. So this is how exercise 1, how you can create a table, simple table in Excel. You see the information just comes out very simple. See, like this, it will be rectified before I print. I did not check the, okay, this is the PDF. I did not like use the arrange, like the prints, stuff like that. So let me try, and there is how to sort the data and all these stuff. So you are going to get to know it when you come to data analysis course. Example, let me, how do I want to portrait or landscape? Use landscape. You see, I have sheet 1, sheet 2, that's the completion of the information. So I can easily turn it to be in sheet 1 and make the data to be landscape. You see these lines, that you see. So this is sheet 1, and this is how we can earn this information. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Please like, share and subscribe, and do your exercise. If possible, you submit it, and if you are facing any challenge, let us know so that we can help you out. Thank you and have a happy life.